Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda and I love crafting, shopping, decor and makeovers. Thanks for tuning in. We're back in the Dollhouse again today. I'm doing my 2025 remodelling, refreshing and renovating series. I started last week in the kitchen, gave it a big tidy up and a nice winter makeover and decorating. And today I'm going to do the same in the office. Before I take you up to the office, just have a quick look in the kitchen, and I just added one tiny little thing, and it was tiny. I had a little fork out of my Dollhouse kit, and I glued it onto a sort of a piece of jewellery piece I had. It sort of was like almost like a tusk, an animal's tusk, and I thought that would make a good sort of handle. And then I wrapped a bit of thread around it, so I've got myself a nice mixing fork now, and I've added it into my utensils jar, which is above the coffee bar. Here we are in the office with all the bits and pieces lying around before I start to renovate. Now, the desk is looking a little bit wobbly. It was a good idea at the time, using the tubes rolled up. It was nice, simple, easy to make, but I've thrown it out now, and I'm going to replace it with a brand new desk. I'm also going to wallpaper that side wall. I had left it blank before, but I thought I'd try and make it a bit more cosy, and, you know, put some wallpaper in. So I've just got to take the back off there, and then I just drew round and cut out, and then that will fit on exactly there. So that looks lovely. And then obviously I'll put the roof back on, and then we've got our lovely wall done. And I'll probably do that the other side as well for the bedroom. So I've got this box left over from, I used a box from the pound shop to make my pantry, and this piece was left over. And I thought, you know what, that'll make a perfect desk. And I thought instead of sticking 4 legs onto it, I will attach it to the wall. So I thought that would be an easier idea. So I'm going to put some double-sided sellotape on the back and stick it onto the wall. Obviously, just got to put some drawers on. So just using a bit of gold, I've put the drawer in, and then some sequins for the handles. And then I got some bamboo sticks and cut them down, and then just blue tack those onto the front just to keep it straight. So when I put things on, it doesn't buckle at all. And then I've just double-sided sellotaped it to the wall, so I now have a lovely wooden desk. And then, of course, I need to do a bit more winter artwork. So just like I did in the kitchen, I've just got a little printer board, which I've really shrunk down small, printed out, stuck it on a piece of white card, cut a frame board around it, and then leave a little bit extra at the bottom so I can fold it over, and then it'll stand up by itself. So it's just like a picture frame. So then I can put that onto the desk for the winter. I've got my notebook, my laptop, and my little pot of pencils that I've made previously, and I just reuse them wherever, you know, just to create that office look. I've got my office chair as well, and then I've got some a winter plant there in a pot, and a nice big white bird. So, you know, there's my decor pieces, and I think that just looks fantastic. It's just a quick and easy refresh. Just to change the look of the office, and it's always nice to have a new piece of furniture, I think. I wanted to make a new box, a storage box. It's really simple. I just draw out a net for a box on a piece of paper that I've got, and then just cut it out, and then just put some flaps on the side so you can glue those, and it just attaches together nice and easily. And I thought I could put some books in there. Again, the books I had previously made using some, I can't remember what you call that now. It's poster board, and then I wrapped some card round them. So I've got, I did have a large bookcase in my previous Dollhouse, so I made a load of books, and then I kept the books because they're always handy. You can use them around the house for decor, or as I say, in the office as my books, or even, you know, in the bedroom and so on. So I've kept all the books, and I'm just going to put them all in this little new box here as a little storage box of books that I need. They could be notebooks, or they could be books to read, or log books. And I'm going to put them on my bench that I made that holds my box files, and on my little box there that's got stationery items in, and then on the bottom shelf some folders and books. And I've made it low enough so it fits in nicely because we've got a sloped roof in the attic. So that just fits in that space there, gives you lots of storage options. That book's a little bit big. I'm just going to take that out. And so it looks like the office is fully stocked, but it doesn't take up much room. So I think that was a great storage solution there. So I'm keeping that for now. And then I've got that chest of drawers is actually part of the bedroom furniture, but I do put some on the edge of the office, and I've put my little Nordic house on there, kept my other little jar, and I just thought that just adds a touch of winter decor to the office area. So it's all sorted now, super simple, easy. I could actually put a little cosy rug in. So, if I do make any additions, I have added a little pot of flowers there on the desk as well. That was actually something I stole from my Dollhouse kit that I did this year. So I've plundered that quite well to create some pieces in the house. And I think that just adds a nice little touch on the desk. And I think it just looks like such a lovely office to work in. I'm really pleased with how the desk has turned out. And as I say, plenty of storage. Maybe possibly a little rug because it is quite a wide spaced area. I don't know if you think anything else should be in my office. Please let me know in the comments. I'm always happy to hear from people, and I do like to, get others' perspectives on what I'm doing. So that's the office complete. A quick refresh, new piece of furniture, nice and tidy, ready for the new year. And I think that's turned out really well. I'll get into the bedroom perhaps next week, and then I've got the big renovation in the bathroom and the living room coming up, so stay tuned for that. So, as always, thanks ever so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so, and if you have, thank you very much. It does mean a lot. Please give me a thumbs up, turn on notifications, drop me a comment, because I do love to hear from you. So until next time, take care. Bye-bye.